Welcome to the Cal Corporation's series of videos about software engineering. The topic of this video is passing a variable number of parameters to a C++ function. Before proceeding, make sure that you have already watched these other videos first. Recall that when you use the C language's printf function, the number of parameters that you pass to that function is not some fixed amount. It's however many values you're wanting to print out. If you want to have that same kind of flexibility for your own function, then you can use this three-dot notation. These three dots must be at the end of your function's parameter list and must be preceded by a normal parameter, like this AI first parameter. Your program uses a bunch of VA underscore functions to manually iterate through those parameters. Your code needs to invent its own logic for knowing when to stop that iteration. This sample code uses a special zero value for that purpose. If you're already using this three-dot notation and want to pass along those parameters to printf, then there's a special version of printf where you can simply give it your iteration object. But there's an easier way to do all this. Recall that the literal form of an array or an STL vector is a brace enclosed list, and that brace enclosed list may contain any arbitrary number of items. So an easy solution would be to have your client code pass that brace enclosed list to you as one big parameter value. For that to work, your function's single parameter would need to have some special kind of type, which would be designed to receive a brace enclosed list as its value. In modern C++, that type now exists. It's called initializer list. Now that your function has received a whole bunch of values within a brace enclosed list in the form of one single initializer list typed parameter, your function needs to parse out those individual values from that parameter. To accomplish that, it uses the standard mechanisms of STL iteration. To make things appear more elegant, the C++ language allows you to skip typing the brace symbols when you're using a literal in this way. That makes the function call appear the same way it would have if you had used the three-dot printf approach.